Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am present to you how to add drop shadow to text in Word. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we write something in this document to add drop shadow in text. Now we can see here we write something and select the text, click and drag on your mouse. Then go to the home menu and click text effect. Then choose the shadow and select any shadow on this drop down menu. Now I select the shadow effect. Then increase the font size to see the shadow effect. Now we can see here we added drop shadow to text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.